to now, people of God and people of sports. We stand up for the city when we say not the sleep, the city where we say hustle and bustle, and we say be their anthem right in the heart of Nigeria. Now Lagos, now we stand up to say support our Super Eagles as they don't land to come prosecute the one that they call Afcon qualifier against Lesotho and Benin. We enter into the camp. But they follow the players, they talk one-on-one, 2x2. Some of them never even hear that speak PG before they go speak and they tell now their truth. I'm not go there for the journey. I still be Tracy Chappelle, the one that they call Swar, aka Swar the Queen of Sports. Make you not take a easy. Enter the journey with us. Back.
Johnny, make you tell me where you dey. Antaribo, make you tell me where you dey. Ayobo, make you tell me where you dey.
We tanda with Captain Fantastic. He don't do one for over a decade for Nigeria and for the boys on the streets all the way from Benin up north. Up north. No. And up you can see. Bros, how you doing?
Good morning. I did fine.
This is not one of the first times we get to see you. They speak pidgin. So if you want to toilet to your Niger people right now in confirmed pidgeology, how you go to give them the eye style?
I will try many on now. My guys, how far now? They hope everything they fine. We will push on for there. We will run on normal level.
How narrate them? So this is not the first time Lagos they see you in Super Eagles colors. For year, how it feel to enter Lagos as a Super Eagle boy?
It's a great feeling. I have a lot of family in Lagos, so I feel at home here. I visit Lagos very often anyway. So the fact that now I'm here with the Super Eagles for a camp is amazing, and I'm looking forward to finally playing in front of the fans.
I'm really happy to be here and to be in Lagos and to meet you guys, and hopefully I can meet more of the fans.
You be person when say most people nothing say go blow as quickly as you do, and you dey very quiet in your character when you dey hustle your hustle. What be the strongest thing when you keep your mind on the prize when we say this COVID, people lock down, people think say their career go cast? What hold you together?
The first thing I think, my family, and just my ambition to always be better and progress, and we can always learn everything. You can learn something new every single day, so it's just to always be better.
This is now one of the qualifiers when we say people think say they're not going to see you in action, and it is such a good thing to see somebody when we say don't day for time immemorial they steady our ship. How you feel making them for this qualifier?
Yeah, I did surprised though when I hear my name in the list, but there is nothing I can do. I always want to represent my country whenever I was called up. So I feel very happy. I'm going to say thank you very much to the coach. And I will do my best. Any opportunity to get, I'm going to show what I know how to do best.
This is not your first time when you play for Lagos. How you find them?
So far, so good. I haven't done any training yet, but the environment is very welcoming and nice. So I'm enjoying my time so far.
This is not the first time in all your campaign as a Super Eagles player to start a game in Lagos, whether not qualifier or otherwise. What do you expect to get from the fans?
I know the Nigerian fans, especially in Lagos, are so passionate. So I'm really looking forward to hopefully meeting some more fans and to play in the stadium and really feel the support, because I think playing at home, you want to have that home advantage. And I think that's the exciting bit of being back in Lagos and playing the game here, is that we really want the away team to feel like they've arrived somewhere where Nigeria is favoured. So I'm really looking forward to playing the game against Lesotho.
Just the same spirit that they carry come, like before 100%. Anytime they call me, start or from the bench, I ready. The main goal now make we win. The 3 points and it matters, and the happiness for the team, togetherness. So nothing changed, just same spirit, same goals, and by the grace of God, this time we will take the trophy.
Show me why you say you get two character. When you talk now, you be humble, but when you there for field, you be like Avengers. What did they talk now?
I'd say that when I'm on the field, I'm very competitive, I'm very aggressive. But my natural character is just a very laid back, humble, and polite human being, which is how I was raised by my parents. So I think that's why you see the two different contrasts. Because on the pitch, there's no time to be polite. It's just I want to win. What
do you expect we will see with the translation of your technicality for inside football, for defense, for inside this campaign? Because you play people when they say they're strong and they're gidigbo, and people they say, well, you both want not to the gidigbo. How you want to do them?
Now since then I've moved to Watford, so I've enjoyed my time there. I learned a lot of things, but yeah, I took a lot of things as well of the English football, and I think every year as I get more experience, I add to my style, my playing style. But I'm not the finished product yet. I'm working really hard, and I make mistakes too. That's part of life, being a football player. But yeah, I hope I can give what I've given all these years to the Super Eagles. It's my best, and yeah, hopefully another clean sheet or two. But yeah, we're working really hard for that.
Your form might be one of the reasons why we say West Brom managed to get a little bit more clean sheet and still carry themselves come up. How you want to carry that and translate into the Super Eagles? How you feel say you fit to put that effort in?
Yeah, bringing my form from England to the Super Eagles is something that I've always looked to do. If anything, I look to raise my game even more. So hopefully I can help the team finally get over the line and qualify for the Afcon, and that'll be great.
What would be the biggest thing when we say shock you pass post-COVID when it comes to football?
The fans.
I think the big thing for me and for most of the players, I think, is not having the fans, you know, in this whole COVID thing. That's the biggest thing, you know. But nevertheless, you know, we've all adapted. We've all adapted, and it is what it is. We have to play. We have to make the fans happy somehow, and hopefully that's how we can do it. We win the games and we'll hopefully qualify.
No. What are you doing, bro? This is not part of the interview. Yeah, look, one second. Are you excited for the game against Benin and Lesotho?
I'm excited, my guy. You excited?
Bro, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Are you gonna score?
Are you going to score?
Are you gonna?
If you give me the ball, I'll score.
Who go score?
I'll score. As long as he passes me the ball, then I'll score.
Thank you so much. What do you expect to get from this next phase of your career? Bam.
For me, not to wetin I dey think to do when I sign a new club is just to this how many months I stay for house. So it's not easy though, but I have to keep it up. I need more trophy.
Yes.
Because I'm getting older. Age day, I'm just 29 now. So maybe in the next 2 to 3 years, I'm gonna finish football. Maybe.
When I hear say na maybe, Mona can say Musa don't say what come. I say na maybe. So
now it's in a talk. So we'll see what we'll fit do. Sure.
One of the biggest things what happened, I say you switch in a few months for this COVID from one club to the other. Go back to somewhere when we say it makes sense for you. What be the thinking behind you doing that one?
I just playing time I need. That's why I switch. I want to get more playing time so I can come back to the national team and get back that confidence I get before.
We know Ahmed Musa, the charity man. Ahmed Musa, the guy when they enter into a field, they give boys free bar when we say they play football. But Ahmed Musa, when you want to relax, how you tell they relax?
When I want to relax though, I don't have much time to relax. That is why I always hide myself when I'm in Nigeria to stay with my family. But there is nothing I can do. I have to come out to show myself to the fans and to the loved ones that love me. So I have to do my best in that part. There's nothing I can do.
No, you speak grammar. No, I go catch you today. You dey like music. You dey listen to music.
I dey listen to music now.
So if I open your phone, I will be the top 3 artists when I go see inside your phone.
They dey plenty.
Top three.
You want put me for one something.
Oh, no, not the fear.
Nothing like fear now, but definitely I dey always listen to Whiskey,
okay,
the video, and then Burna Boy.
Biggest way for you to relax yourself, because I see a lot of your Instagram and all yours. You they do plenty things. So what would be your top 3 things when you relax?
I like spending time with my family. I've got 2 beautiful kids that I like spending time with. And yeah, besides that, I work really hard. I spend a lot of my off days working, training, doing extra bit in the gym. I'm always trying to improve myself. I think that's been my main goal in life. But besides that, my family time is most important. I think this pandemic has also showed us the real value of things, and family is number 1 by far. And I try to make sure that we enjoy this time because, yeah, we never know what happens in the world.
I know you be swagger guy. What do you do when you want to relax? Are you a FIFA guy or a PS5?
I like FIFA. I like Call of Duty. I like my fashion. I like music. And I'll spend time with my family and my loved ones, and that's it really.
So every kind of boy, they like their favorite kind of toys. So if you had to pick your favorite kind of car, when we say you used to the ball, even if when I use bus they enter, waiting you go be?
My favorite car, never get them, but I plan to get them.
Waiting you be your dream car?
Bentley.
Bentley?
Yeah.
Now if you say you like Rose, who be your favorite kind of rapper?
You don't call them right now, Rick Ross.
You get any line from Rick Ross when we say they bust your brain pass?
Another one.
Top movie you watch last, top music you listen to last, make where they go.
Top music. I've still got Burna Boy's new album on repeat, to be fair, Twice as Tall. So That and last movie I've watched, Coming to America 2, the new one.
Yes! Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes! Everybody they get celebration, go. When they don't score, they get celebration. Why be say we never see one signature celebration for you? I be not the reason when you just score, you'll be like, oh, but I don't score, man, I leave myself like that.
Everybody get what you want to do now. My own be say whenever I score, I feel somehow though. But you know, I'm a very shy person, so that's why sometimes all those dance skills, I get them, but I know if you do inside public.
You say you get out.
I get them.
People of God, Musa say he get dance skill. All these years we never see him. Oh yeah, do one hand for me. Do one hand like this.
No.
Musa dalla.
No worry. You go see her very soon.
Who be your top 3 athletes? Artists when you say they used to balance yourself.
Davido, Wizkid,
Burna. Oh. You go drop online, oh. Check that.
The new line. Which line make I drop? She from
Anyone.
Ichok.
For me, right now, Burna Boy. I enjoy Burna Boy. And what's that guy's name? Omale. Oh, how you know?
Who don't like lo?
Oh, I like lo.
You be Yoruba boy. Will you take vegetable soup before we roll or
what?
I leave an open-ended.
Ila Alasipo.
You say?
Ila Alasipo.
Hey, calm down, Mo. How many times did they shop this food?
Many times.
This guy and I be like, just a deceive us with Oyibo slang.
Poco.
Abishemi and Adetelu na Poco.
Poco, Wazobia.
Make you tell me where you dey. Ataribo make you tell me where you dey. Ayobo make you tell me where you dey. Papilo.